Okay, I have resumed recording and share screen. Share screen. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. I have already started the recording. No, remove my recording, pause recording. So yes, recording is happening, right? So yes.
Uh, I have also like asked for the recording. It is asking like you need to accept it.
In fact, I have already initiated this recording. You see here.
Okay, so you will send the recording you're saying?
Yes, because I think you will not be able to record. I will be able to record, and I will get this from Zoom. I will download and I
Okay,
will share it with you. Right.
okay. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Right. It is the same way which I have done. YouTube. YouTube. If you go to setting videos. So yeah, you will find the recordings like this, which I do with customers, take the permission, and then I upload it. Right. So you will get the recording. Right. So you will get this. Right. Okay.
Yes.
So let me first take you to the contacts or the leads page. Right. This is where right now you get your leads in an Excel form, or you do advertise, you do digital marketing or something like this.
Sorry, we get what? Our
You
leads.
Yeah, you get leads through, you have Facebook ad or some online landing pages, or you have Excel sheets.
No, we have everything. We have
Both ways,
Excel.
it can be both ways.
Okay, so if it is an Excel sheet, then you will upload it from here. Right, you will choose the file, whatever is the file. You will choose that file, it will get as fixed here. You will name the file. Ah, the file is something like, right, this is data. This is uh, data, and whatever way you want to name it, you can name it data 16, or you can write the vendor's name or the lead source name, or whatever way you write it. Vendor A 6th May data, and you can upload, by that you will upload that data. Once you have uploaded that data, you will go to the filter, and you can filter that data. See something. This is testing language. And you get that you see this 185 data. The list is the same, the name of that list, and you choose all of them, 50 contacts, or this is 150 contacts, and that's how, if you can assign. Now you can assign it to. So anyhow, I will go to the depth of it a bit later. All right, rather, I
Okay.
what I wanted to show is, when the people are calling. So when the people are calling, or they are receiving a call of an established customer whose database is already in the CRM system, this is the lead page that opens up in this way, right? This is the call widget.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is the call widget, right? This gets marked as answered automatically. If the call is answered, it gets marked automatically. If the Because telecom sends us the signal. If the call is not answered, you can't mark it answered. You can mark it anything else, right? Am I understood?
Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes.
only the answer will be automatic. If it's not answered, then we have to
You
choose
so
manually
yes,
one of it.
so there are two options. You can also automate this, but telecom at many times the accuracy of this, the telecom, Airtel or Vodafone that sends us is 80%, but the accuracy of answered is 100%. Is no doubt it is 100%. Come what may, right? But accuracy
Okay,
of these not answered are 80%. If you are okay with this, you can also do that automated. Sometime what happens, to a wrong number they send us busy, right? So that's what it is. Or if you want it to be absolutely be manual, the not answered ones, then it can be manual. So both the options are there. Okay.
okay,
now
Okay.
now let's say you have marked it as answer. Let's say for the time being it has marked it as answer, right? So if this is answered, then the software will tell you that you need to feed the sub disposition. What was it? Was it interested? Was it callback? Now all of this you can create your own going to the settings tab. Whatever is your business sub dispositions. Okay,
okay,
right? And when you create sub disposition, you also want that I want sub disposition agent wise. So I want the group of telecallers from 1 to 10 a different sub disposition, and a group of telecallers from 11 to 20 a different sub dispositions. That is also you can do. Okay,
okay,
right? So now you mark it as answered. This is where you take the call notes. Now, supposingly, while the gentleman over the call, he sends that, he tells that, please send me your office address, or please send me the payment link, or please send me something, something you have to send it over the call.
Mm.
You can tell him,
Mm.
okay, sir, I can send you the, just hold on. I am sending it to you, and you can SMS it from here. You can also
Okay.
type the SMS manually. You can also type the SMS manually, or if you have a pre-filled template, you can have this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So then you can tell him after clicking on this send button, when it goes, you can tell him, I have sent you, please check, right? You are still on the
Mm.
call. Closing the call widget doesn't end the call until you, now these places, this place where it is call, it will be written, it will have different statuses here. Ringing, connecting, customer connected,
Mm.
call ended.
Mm.
So these are the different statuses that continues to coming, appear here, right? The
Yes.
call ends only when you click on the dispose button, or the user whom you have called, he disconnects the call, but you will have to dispose the call, right? So let me give an example. I have called you, you have disconnected the call. Here it will appear call ended, but I can still not accept another call because now I am in an on wrap stage. So call ended, but I have not disposed the call, is on wrap stage. Okay.
Mm.
This is all you can see on a live scoreboard, which I will show you in 2 3 minutes. But let me take you through this flow. Now, while where the talk, you want to feed some details, right? You can again
Yeah.
minimize this, and you can tell him, okay, so what is that which you want? Okay, and how much? What is your age? And whatever is your fields. These custom fields again you can create based on your business need. Okay,
Mm.
and while on the call
Yeah.
he can feed and update these details, right?
Right.
Right. So that's another use case that comes. The third use case that comes while on the call, you can he tells you, please call me tomorrow, right? You can create that task, whether it is call, email, or he wants you to meet, and you can create that task, what date and time, and right, what what date and time you can choose that, and you can take the notes, or you can have it in the call
Mm.
notes, and you feed this, right?
Yeah.
So that's another comes, right? You can also send WhatsApp message, but please do it only when the customer is on WhatsApp. You can also do this. You can also send the mail. You can also have a template of the mail, and you can send this.
Okay.
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 right? So right now these are the use cases that is happening on this page. But what I wanted to show you now is on this this is an activity field. So rather than just one second, rather than telling it, let me show you just that when WhatsApp is, I am a bit afraid of opening WhatsApp. Oh no, I should not have opened this. Running back to the audio, exerted, coupled in R. I because no, because oh sorry, it will take all the messages. So even if your schoolmates are sending naughty messages, everything will appear here. Let me tell you. And all schoolmates are the. So I am around 40s now, so I have to keep my phone. But more older the aged, you get more naughtier, right? Yeah. So
Hmm.
this is where which I wanted to show. So this is a lead which is named Divya ma'am, right? And whatever this sequence of events that has happened, I have messaged her, she has replied, then I have
Hmm.
called her, then I have this is all message context in a sequence. Same way,
Yeah.
if I would have done some WhatsApp with her, sorry, right, in WhatsApp all images will also come. Let me go to this
Hmm.
one because I know some customer which is a customer rather than not friends.
In one way, whatever is there, SMS, WhatsApp, call,
Ah,
all that sequence wise we can see.
all that in a sequence wise, right? In fact, people love this to see. So I generally delete the messages. WhatsApp, I have to delete it from here. Ah, oh, sorry. So anyhow, I will show you some. Yeah, right. So this is again, right? I have mailed him. This is mails and my so understand my in my mail I will show you in my mail template I can also upload images, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the sequence of mails that is happening that I have sent, right?
Hmm.
Right, same way. All the here you will get all the activity details. What was the previous campaign it was is, what is the current campaign, who created this lead, when did they call, what was the outcome of the call, what was the call notes, right? All that you can get here. Here in the contacts you will get this lead has called you how many times. So at first it gets in descending order, then again it gets in ascending order, right? So yes, I have called him 12 times. He has answered me once, right? I have, let me see something more answer. Anyhow, I go here. And this is where I get to see that how many times when the task was created, right? When was the what was the disposition? What was the call notes, right?
Hmm.
For this particularly, you are seeing it in a sequential manner. All activity details, all call details in a sequential manner, all email details in a sequential manner, or SMS details in a sequential manner, or WhatsApp details in the sequential manner, all tasks in the sequential manner, notes in the sequential manner. This is the custom fields, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So now I will come to the, since when you are calling, this is disposition. So you will like to know how many calls were answered, how many were not answered. Point
Hmm.
one. You will also
Hmm.
like to know if it was answered, how many were interested, how many were not interested, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so now I will take you to, that is the call disposition where you are looking for how many were answered, how many were not answered. So you will go to the filter. You can filter it by, right, whatever disposition. You can filter it by your teammates. You can filter it by the campaign. Generally, I will go with the date. Right. So now you will get to see there is an Excel also below, right? So you will now get to see how many were no answer, how many were switched off,
Hmm.
how many were
Hmm.
answered. You will get these details, right? And also you will get that here, right? So you want to sort something this way, the highest answer time, what was the call notes, right? You will get that here. Okay. You can also download these sheets, right?
Okay.
And if you want to see anything particular, you want to see only the answered
Mm-hmm.
ones, you can double click on it, and then you will see only the answered ones, right?
Okay.
Right. So that's the answered, and this is the subdisposition. This is the subdisposition, which is how many were inbound leads, how many were inbound leads that were interested, right? How many were outbound. So you will get that. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now, the since I am on reports, I'm slightly going on conflict, right? Other than the storyboard, you want to see which team member has done how many calls, what is their
Yeah.
talk time, and right. So, which team member has how much call duration, and what is the number of calls that he has. So, Sudeep, 213 minutes is the talk time, and 168 call counts, right? So that's how you get this report. You can always export it. Okay?
Yep.
Right. Now, the other report is you want to see how many calls were missed, how many calls were missed in the queue. It's a large data. Yeah, that's a large data. It slightly takes time. So for every day, you will get how many calls were missed. How many were missed in the queue? Missed means it was an inbound call and you did not answer, right? So if you want to see anything particular, you don't want to see emails and you don't want to see other tasks, and you only want to see missed, or you only want to see incoming call, right? So you will get that, right? Date wise. This also, when you click on it, it will go to that specific date. Okay. And this is where you will get the right total missed calls. So these all are missed calls. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the 4 missed calls. When you click on them, you get the list of the people that were missed. In fact, they have been answered by now, right? So they were missed. This is a very old data that I have, old report that I've taken out. By now, when a missed call is answered, they will move out from this place. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now I will come to, you will also get the login and the break report, right? So when he logged in, when he, how much time he took break, so you will get that report, what is his average productive time, and you can absolutely do this filter and check for the all the teammates or team member wise. Okay.
Okay.
Now we go to the live scoreboard. So I will send you a video of the live scoreboard, right?
Hmm.
Just that I am here because it is, this is something which is more better off in the real time.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is all the telecolors of this customer. The internet is slightly, yeah, months. So each of this, Monica Soni is telecaller one, Vyom Sharma is telecaller two, Chirag is telecaller three. So all of them is telecaller, and you can see their status. They are on call, on call. He's on call with R Hill. This is the number. This person is on wrap, means he has ended the call and now he is writing notes. This person is all call. So you get this, right? Have I been
Yes.
able to write something you can think through the mind's eye how this works, right, sir? So
Can you ask again?
so in your mind's eye, is this clear? How this is? This is the live
Yes.
scoreboard where you see each of your team member in real time what they are doing, and you can
Yeah,
see it
yeah.
anywhere across. So you, even if you are not in office, and or you are in another room, and you can go to your mobile,
Ah,
and you can go to the this button, and you can see who is doing what now. Okay.
yeah, great. Yeah.
This is the call logs where you get all the call recordings, right? I am
Hmm.
presently at my home, so these. So you will have to be in the LAN. So your recordings are in your local server or the server, or it can be a cloud server, whatever you want. And yes, so this is where you can filter, right? uh, Choose the recording which you want to choose. You want to see inbound
Hmm.
call recording, you want to see all the missed calls, you want to
Hmm.
choose a particular customer name, you want to choose a particular customer phone number, you want to choose by a particular teammate. You can filter it around that and find out the call recording, right?
Yeah.
Same way is the SMS recordings, same way is the WhatsApp recordings, same way is, right? Same way as the email recordings. You can always filter them in various formats, right? Which date? Was it an inbound? Was it an inbound email? Was it an outbound email? Right? Read, unread, email ID, customer name. You can filter it. Righto?
Hmm. Hmm.
Now that we have done this, this is the place where you can create templates. Templates for your email. You can personalize it. Hi, Rajiv, or first name, right? You can personalize this, and you can also personalize it in the body, right? You were searching, and you can personalize this further, right? You were searching, and say any field is there, um, whatever product types, right? You were searching this, and you can personalize the whole body, and you can write the regards, and you can write the sender signature, right?
Hmm.
Same way you can personalize the SMS also, right? The
Yeah.
whole same way you can personalize the SMS and create the templates, and you can also do that for WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
This is where you see all the tasks of all the teammates. The tasks that they have not completed will be on red. The task
Hmm.
that they have to complete will be in green, will be in black, and task that they uh, right has completed will be in green. Okay, you can also filter it on the different ways, right?
Hmm.
Now we will come to contacts. You can export your contacts in various forms, right? You can also see from the dashboard how much total contacts are there, how many have answered, how many are not answered, or all these are clickable, right? How many are untouched, how many were interested, what is the percentage, right? You will get that, right? And you can also see this from the lead source. So you go to the filter and you see, do the, if my source of lead is something, right, like this was the landing page that I wanted to filter, and then this is the landing page, how much data, what is the, right? So you can see this things in various forms. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
later. If this is something which is somebody is super interested, it is a very hot lead, you want to move the status, you can create the status of the, if it is required, you can also use it, or if create of the stages of the pipeline, and you can move it at the different stages, and you can see, right, right. So these
Hmm.
are something
Hmm.
which is there will be, right, with, they are interested, their proposal stage, and you know,
Oh, yeah.
right, and there will be, so I will come to campaign and then I will tell you. So campaign is something, right, where you see here it is 4 steps, right? So
Hmm.
you create the steps from here. So this is like when I get a fresh lead, let's say, and when I call them, all 500 of them or all 100 of them won't answer my call at one go, right? So I tell that
Yeah.
please call them. When you call them, if they don't answer, please send them a message, automated message. So what I
Yeah.
will do, I will first go and create a stage, please do an auto phone call, right? And I will tell that whenever you get the data, please call them within 1 minute, 2 minutes, right? And I will go ahead and create this step. Then I will say, since the software is reading telephone answered and not answered, you tell that अगर नहीं answer हुआ है, if it is not answered, please send an automated message, right? And
Okay. Okay.
in the message, send it within a minute. And when you go and add step, the next page it will ask you which template to send. So you can create that template, or you can have a pre-created template, and you can attach that template. The hi, first name, hi Sudeep, I was trying to call you. I am from this. Your phone was not reachable. When can I call you back? Right? You send this
Hmm.
message, and then you say that please try to call this lead again next day, right? So I say
Yeah.
that, I create a third step and say that, let me call him again next day, right? So this
Yeah.
management of the lead is the calls, dials which are getting not answered, right? You are creating a pattern of
Hmm.
follow-up for not answered, right?
Yeah.
So not
Yeah.
answered can be a fresh lead. Not answered can be a not interested lead. Not answered can be an interested lead, right? Every bucket. So first campaign you created a fresh lead. Next campaign you created of not interested lead. Third campaign you created of interested leads. And everywhere you have created steps because there will be a not answered stages, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
But there are few where you have given proposal and you know that these are not patterns, these are human, right?
Hmm.
Somebody behaves X,
Hmm.
somebody behaves Y, somebody behaves Z. But this is right, is a there is an amount to it, and right, it is taking time. Is the customer is telling, yes, I am very much interested, I will buy, but my boss is traveling. But the other one is saying, today I am on leave. So this is not unpatterned.
Hmm.
Unpatterned
Hmm.
hot leads is you are following it through this, which is unpatterned. You are just dropping and you are doing it as the situation is. Okay. But
Okay.
patterned, fresh leads go, he hasn't picked up the call, at least try 4 times here, right? So the pattern
Hmm.
follow-up, you are doing it through campaigns, right?
Okay.
Right, so
Okay.
that's how it is. This will go on further. So we have automation rules, we have campaign. So when you create campaigns, I just forgot, when you create campaigns, you can keep the team members, your telecallers there. So in fresh leads I have 4 telecallers, and other leads I have 3 telecallers. You can do that. And if somebody has left, or you want to remove them from a campaign, you can do that. Or if you want to assign them a new campaign, you can do that, okay, from here, right?
Okay.
So the moment
Okay.
you give it a campaign, and then when you assign a lead, the software can tell you, the software will divide it automatically in a round robin manner, in an equal manner.
Hmm.
So you create an automation rule, and you tell that whenever there is a fresh lead, please give it to a fresh campaign. You can create those automation rules. So you say that I do Facebook ad, or whenever I upload an Excel sheet, or right, please give it to fresh campaign. And whenever it goes to a fresh campaign, please distribute. It will automatically divide it among the team members in a round robin manner, right? So,
Good.
and you say that when it is an interested lead, please move it to an interested bucket, interested campaign, an interested campaign, but please don't change the lead owner. So if Sudeep is the lead owner, please keep it Sudeep itself in the interested lead also. That also is there.
Hmm.
But you say, no, Sudeep is a junior guy. He does creates interested lead only. He does the cold calling. But after that, when it, please give it to the senior people, which is in another campaign, and move it to that. So that is also possible,
Okay.
right? So those are there. You can, there are a lot of other things. That is what you can go. You can create the custom fields from here, right? Any fields which you want to show, just text, paragraph, right? Mark a field mandatory to be field shown in the filter. A created field you want to alter, you can do that. And this is where you can create the proposal stages. You can create the sentiments. So, and there will be many more small other things which will continue, right? My kids are staring at me, right? So
Huh.
so generally they go for cycling in night time.
Okay. Maybe I'll like if you want to,
You did,
if
you
it's
did,
getting
you did get a fair deal of idea.
yeah, 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 definitely we did.
Hmm.
Just once, can we have a look at how it looks for the user?
Right. For the user, in my, all of these which you see, right, is
Huh.
customizable. So you don't want this to be with an user. Some people say, yeah, don't show this to the user. Some people say, please show this to the user. So these are voice blasts also, which I forgot. So voice blast is you have recorded a date voice blast. Hi, this is Arvind Kejriwal speaking. Right, please vote me
Hmm.
for the chief ministerial, no, for the elections, right? You can create those
Yeah.
campaigns and create the voice blast, and so that is what is being handled here. So yes, the coming down, right? So this field, contact field, is definitely there with the agents, and the campaign field is definitely there, right? Rest all, based on, some customer says I need to show this to my agents, some customers say please don't, right? So based
Okay.
on this will get off, but majorly telecallers will spend time here, or they will spend time here going to the campaigns, and they will see that I have 149 people to call. This is overdue. Overdue means it should have been done
In
day
the
before
mobile, it
yesterday.
will show the same thing, right?
Right. So in the mobile also, it will show the same thing, this campaign, and
Huh.
when they click on this campaign, they will go to this auto call. So if it is an auto call, so they will click on the auto call, and then calls will start happening. So are they all on an Android phone?
Not necessarily.
Oh, you
Can
don't.
be.
No, iOS,
It
no.
can be Apple.
No, iOS, no.
Okay. Okay.
Point one. Point two. None of them have
I
a
mean,
laptop or a desktop.
some of them definitely they'll have a laptop. If they don't have a laptop, they will use their mobiles.
Right. So I presume that we should again meet tomorrow, and
Hmm.
couple of questions are of right mind itself, which I wanted to show you. How it will work if the person is having laptop and mobile. How it will
Hmm.
work if the person is having only mobile. So, which I wanted to show you with my mobile screen getting shared,
Okay.
right? So this is the laptop screen which I showed you, and you got a fair deal of idea of the features. And now, so if you can jot down few things, these I will jot down, which is in my mind. If you have jot down few
Hmm.
things of specific flow of your business, ये
Yeah.
कैसे होगा?
Yeah.
How will this happen? We have this flow.
Hmm.
How will this happen? I want them. Let me show. Ask him how to show it. How will this happen? Right? So that is
Hmm.
one which I don't have a question. That is youths resides in your mind. So you will have to
Right.
write it.
Right.
But
Right.
these, how the user will see when it is on mobile, how the user will see when it is on laptop and mobile. So
Hmm.
those are the points which will again I will we will
Generally, how long does it take for you to customize? Like once we like tell you.
customization of fields and all. First of all, you will not be able to say everything at the one go, even though you
Yeah,
feel
right.
that I have said, because as it get happens, use then you are I was assuming it
True,
to be this. This is this,
true.
right? And I will tell I
Yeah.
was assuming it to be this. So that's one, right? But in 2 3 days we make it live. In 2 days we make it live, taking into account creating custom fields, creating campaigns, training you how to create campaigns, right?
Hmm.
Uh, then you will come back that I assume something which I as an software guy never assumed. Then I understand your assumption and I train you on that. So that is what. So 2 days getting live
Okay.
and 10 days getting well absorbed of it.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. We don't want to hold you on for a very long time.
I am very sorry. I feel you don't mind it, huh? Right?
No, no, no. Please, please. Thank you for your time. Actually,
Are
Sunday
thank
evening
you.
you stay
Yeah,
available.
right, right. Thank you for your time also. I know you have been working from early. So when can we meet tomorrow? That is what you can think through and message me. But primarily, if you can send me the questions which pops on in your mind in next 10 15 minutes, if you can message me or WhatsApp me or
Hmm.
whatever, then I will be more prepared for the. Now we can go more detailed and granular in the meeting.
Yeah. Right.
This was just an overview.
Got it.
Okay, Sudeep.
Okay.
So we'll
We'll
catch
message you
tomorrow.
what time.
We'll message you in the morning around. Let's say you'll get by 11:30 or 12. I'll
Yeah.
message you
Hmm.
our questions,
Hmm.
and then
When are you available?
Right. We can.
2:45.
I have a meeting tomorrow at Gurgaon. Right. So that is. I will let you know the time when I am not available. Rest all the time I am available. So I know one is Mr. Tanuj. I don't know the no other
I'm
friends.
sorry, I didn't introduce myself. My name is Rishikesh.
Rishikesh. Yes, I was making out your voice that this is another gentleman,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So it is Rishikesh ji and Mr. Tanuj. Right, sir. So please message me the questions tomorrow, and I will by tomorrow 10 o'clock I will let you know. The customer will brief me, what time we are meeting. So
Hmm.
that is the only slot which I'm not available. I will tell you. Rest all is open window. You can tell me.
Okay.
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 Thank
Okay.
you, Sudeep.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very
Thank
much.
you. Amazing. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Please send us this recording
Recording
again.
now. 1 second. I now
Maybe
say.